You know when you lie down and you see the sunset, there's a point where the sun goes beneath the horizon and you no longer see it. But if you stand back up again, you can see it again. Now try this. Try holding a kiwi in your hand. And when you do, you'll see something truly amazing. What's that coming from the horizon? It looks just like a subscribe button to One Plate Gourmet. Click now. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today makes a year since we have started this channel. So we're going to take it a little easy and we're going to make a drink of some sort. So sit back and let's get to mixing. We'll be using some strawberry juice, which we are going to freeze, some strawberry syrup, some sugar, some limes, a shot of alcohol of your choice, of course, and 3 kiwis. After placing our strawberry juice in the freezer, we are going to cut one of our limes in half to squeeze out the juice, and then we'll use the other and cut it into disc-like wedges, which we'll use to top our glass. Next, we'll take our kiwi and we're just going to take care to cut off the edges because we don't want the edges in our recipe. Then we're going to take our vegetable peeler and we're just going to go ahead and peel the sides of the kiwi. Next, we're going to dice them up into fine sizes. We're not going to blend these guys, and nor do we want them too small. It's still a kiwi drink, so we want to have some of the kiwi inside. Place them in a bowl and then transfer them to a pot on medium heat. No oil needed. Add in 1 tablespoon of your sugar and just mix these two together. We just want the kiwis to warm up a bit. We're not toasting them. And once you see the hue of the kiwis change to slightly lighter green, then we're going to take them off the heat. This is a drink purely to commemorate my 1 year on this channel. It's meant to be enjoyed in stages, so watch carefully. Place your strawberry ice cube into your glass, which is rimmed with sugar and not salt. Then spoon over your kiwi, which is kind of hot, depending on how long it took you to retrieve the ice cube from the freezer, and kind of like just, place it around, rim it. Then top with your alcohol of choice, let it soak in before proceeding to add in your strawberry syrup. Next, squeeze in that lime juice from both your limes and top the rim with your disc of kiwi and lime. As the ice cube melts from the heat of the kiwi, your drink refills itself, never-endingly. And there you have it. Wait, no. And there you have it! So boom. It's our 1 year anniversary. You guys already know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, go ahead and click up here. If you want to see more, go ahead and click down here, somewhere around.
Use a vegetable peeler on fruits. You're insulting kiwi for being a fruit.